Hi everybody, I am okay. No, I did not have the baby. That's not why I'm gone. I'm on a trip, but because we had a cold day yesterday, it just ended up that I'm not going to be here this week. All is well, okay? While I'm gone, you're going to have a sub, and you're going to be working on a one-pager project. You guys did an awesome job the last time we made one-pager, and you said you want to do more like that. So remember, a one-pager is worth a test grade, so do your best work. Take your time. I'm going to kind of pace you throughout the 3 days to make sure that you are doing your best. So today is just a planning and practice day. So you are going to get a worksheet that looks like this. Okay, there are 4 practice problems. These are have to do. Now, you can work with a neighbor while you do this, or you can work by yourself, depending on what the sub decides. You probably should mind your voice level if you want to work with a partner. But you need to get done 1, 2, 3, and 4. They look very similar to other problems we've done this year, or this unit. Okay? Once you finish that, it says the problem I felt most confident with was which one? So you're going to pick. Was it 1, 2, 3, or 4? And then tell me why. All right, then it says for my one-pager, I plan to use problem which one? Which one are you going to use? So you can pick one of these, or you can make up your own problems, but you can only pick one of these to use. You can't pick more than one, okay? You're going to have to make one up eventually. So I'm going to say I'm going to pick problem 1, and then I'm going to make up my own problem that's kind of like number 1. That's okay if they're similar, okay? But that's what I'm going to do. Then I will be working with, who would be a good partner? I'm going to choose Miss Shane. Okay, then once this is done and my top 4 problems are done, I'm going to go see the guest teacher and they're going to assign this and say, okay, front page looks good. Then it says flip to the back side for brainstorming. So I'm going to flip it over. The rest of class time you are going to be thinking about what is your one-pager going to look like. Okay, so question 1, you need to rewrite this problem. If this is the one you picked, show your work and kind of decide what you're going to do with that. Okay, question 2, this is the one that you make yourself. So I need to write a story or a situation that's going to deal with negative and positive numbers. It has to be negative and positive because that's what this unit is about. Okay, then once I finish these 2 things, I'm going to have a check-in again with the teacher. Your goal today is to have both sides initialed by the sub. Okay, if you finish and there's still like 20 minutes left of class, great. Grab out a piece of lined paper. You should have it in your binder. That is something that should be in your binder every single day. Or find somebody who does have some lined paper and start like mapping out your picture. What do you want it to look like? Okay, so that might be like, how am I going to cut it? I know I have 2 problems, so maybe my paper, okay, I'm going to cut it down the middle. Not actually cut it, but like make marker lines or make a design or something and be like, here's question 1, here's question 2. Or maybe you're like, I'm going to go the skinny way. And I'm going to cut it somewhere like this. Here's question 1, here's question 2. Okay, but somehow I should be able to see your 2 different questions. Draw pictures, show your work, make them as detailed as you can. That will get you the most points. All right, again, today is only brainstorming and planning. You are not actually starting the one-pager until tomorrow. So if you finish, make sure you check in with the